Mom, no! You are hilarious.
I'm Jan Helson, and I'm the co-founder of Global Game Changers, and I am super excited about our new Discover Your Superpower Kids Activity Book. So I've invited my kid to join me to do one of the activities.
I'm the kid.
This is my daughter, Rachel, and we're going to do one of the kids' activities together.
I'm also the other co-founder of Global Game Changers, by the way. And I thought today we would do the animals badge. Make tasty dog treats.
Great
activity,
idea.
That's okay.
That's
Oh,
why
good.
we're all set up for it.
Well, isn't that just shocking?
Convenient.
Completely convenient. And then I thought at the end we could have your dog and my brother, Amigo, see whose he likes better.
It's a competition is what it really is.
Yeah,
we like competitions.
You specifically
Or
like
Mom
competitions.
likes competitions.
But
let's
this
say
is
that.
for the good of the animals, everyone.
Of course. Should we get started?
Yeah, let's get started.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to put the flour in first.
Okay.
For mine.
Great. You need 2 cups of whole wheat flour.
Are you making your own batch, right? So
Yeah, because mine are
Because
going to be
mine are
better.
going to be better.
No. Mine are going to be
Okay.
better.
So after you put 2 cups of the wheat flour in, you put 8 ounces of sweet potato puree.
Puree?
Puree.
Puree? No. I think you pronounced it puree. Let us know in the comments, puree or puree?
Tomato.
No, only one of those is right.
Whatever.
Okay, 8 ounces
I'm known
of it.
sometimes for pronouncing words incorrectly according to my children.
Don't flick that on me. What is that? Wait, how many ounces is this?
Each one is 4 ounces.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. Read
Okay.
the jar.
Read the jar. I don't know where it is in the jar. 4 ounces.
Read
okay.
There we go.
I've watched a lot of Great British Bake Off, so I feel like I know a lot more about baking than I actually do.
Oh, I was going to say, I thought you thought maybe that was going to put you into a really better category than me for cooking here for the dogs.
No, I did not.
Because I don't watch a whole lot of
No.
Food Network television.
It's not Food Network. It's Great British Bake Off.
Well, you know,
That is...
what can I say?
I don't know. What can you say? These are a little dry.
They are, so that's why we have to put some water in them. They say.
Okay, that's not in the recipe,
Yes, it
just so
is.
you know. Oh, wait, there's a little water.
It isn't. Well, the recipe says if it's
Oh, yeah.
dry,
If the mixture is too thick to stir, add 1 tablespoon of water. Okay, so we're going to have to do that.
lesson learned. Read the directions
So just assume
all
that...
the way through before you make assumptions about what you're doing.
So, kids and parents, you can make these at home for your dogs or other dogs.
Do something special to celebrate the dogs, and especially if your children, if that's their heart badge. But never mind.
You can say it.
But no, I don't know what I was.
Yeah, if your kids love dogs
If
and
your
that's
kids
their
love
heart
dogs
badge,
and that's their heart badge, then
this is a great activity.
It is a great activity, but it also helps them learn if they do like dogs, and it helps them as you go through each of the badges throughout the activity book.
I love my mother a lot, and she's a brilliant woman. She's not on camera a lot, so I'm going to make fun of her.
Action.
Action. Okay. Hi. Excited about our new Discover Your Superpower Kids Activity Book. I've been looking at the light. I better look at the camera, shouldn't I? I'm going to just put my hands in my pocket.
Take your glasses off.
Because it seems weird when I go like that.
We've only got so much tape here.
For joining
Wait,
us.
my eyes were closed.
Again.
This will be the last time, I promise.
Are we supposed to roll these out of the rolling pin?
No. Well, you could.
Hold on.
I don't know if I read the directions.
Oh, someone didn't take their own advice. Roll the dough, okay, onto a floured, mine's not floured, oops. But it does say rolling pin under supplies. Hold on, I'm gonna flour my surface. Pause, we're going back.
I don't think, here, I need some flour too. Thank you.
Okay, we don't want it sticking to the bottom.
But I think you can pat it or roll it. Either one would be fine.
Is that what I'm supposed to be doing? No, I'm just gonna go forth and continue with what I'm doing
Okay.
in this way.
Let your children use their creativity like I allow mine. That's
Goodness.
an interesting way to...
What?
It's just interesting. Look.
It's an interesting way to what?
To flatten out the dough. But you're getting there.
Encouragement is also important for the children when they're
You're doing a great job.
the activity book. How many of these do we make?
Well, until you run out of dough, or until you get tired of cutting.
I'm tired.
All right, I think we're there. Super excited. Whoops. Oven's open.
Okay.
Put them on the middle.
I'm choosing the top rack.
You're impeding the flow of air down mine. Okay, they're in the oven. I think we're finished. See
Treats are done. We're gonna get them out of the oven.
how they turned out.
Oh, they smell good.
Yeah, they look good too.
Okay.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, I'm very impressed with us. Thanks for joining us.
And check out our Discover Your Superpower activity book at globalgamechangers.org.
Yep, and like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. This is really cute.
I love it.
I know.
I'm so excited.
What activity should we do next?
I don't know. Well, tune in. And we'll let you know.
I love you.
I love you too.